What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm actually sitting at the bottom of the hill right now. If you guys can see right here, this is the gate where I always drive in from. But I'm actually waiting for an AC guy. One of my AC units, one of my AC compressors actually took a shit. So it needs to be replaced, and we might have to just replace the entire unit. So I'm waiting for him to show up. He said he was almost here. I did want to tell you guys, I want to test something out. So I got a little something for you guys. It is this GoPro. So I got the GoPro Hero 7 Black with a clip mount, and I am actually going to be mounting this onto my hat so you guys can get my point of view when driving the McLaren and driving anything else. I kind of want to add that to the channel. I think it'd be a dope add-on for just a different view for you guys, because it's normally just me talking when I'm driving and you guys don't really get to see like what's going on and stuff. The dude's following me now, so we're gonna go up to the house. He's gonna check out the AC unit real quick and check out all what he needs, and we're gonna go from there with the AC unit. But this is not an AC unit channel, so like I said, guys, I got the new GoPro earlier today, and I want to run a point of view camera for you guys pretty much on every drive. So we should make that part of this channel. I think it would be a dope add-on. Hopefully you guys like it. It's not gonna be a crazy drive. I just want to try this point of view, but I'm gonna leave it on to see if anything happens, like anybody tries to come up and race. As you guys know, with this car, it pretty much happens on the daily as I drive. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna switch over to POV right now. Of course, as soon as I leave here, I start getting phone calls. I'm so sorry. I'll get back onto this right now and we'll drive this thing like normal. All right, sorry about that. I feel like I owe you guys some little bit of driving right here. Oh man, this thing is so much fun. God. Wow. I don't even want to see that thing. So I'm going to switch back to my other camera, talk to you guys for a little bit. Actually, we can actually talk here if you guys would like to. Let's just talk here, because this is probably dope for you guys to be able to see this firsthand while I'm talking, not just my face. I think, yeah, this is probably going to be dope, dude. I'm like really liking this because I don't have to hold the camera and shift gears. And yeah. Dude, this is seriously insane, dude. Some people are just, I don't know. Yo. So sick right there. God, that thing is dope. It's a nice day today, as you guys can tell. It's so dope. I didn't really pick up the camera and do anything, but I'm heading home. It's a little engine sound for you. Yeah, the blow-off valves sound so good. So dope. get to see my like everyday pull in the driveway. It's pretty dope, dude, that you guys actually get to see exactly how I do this. I pull in the driveway, come on this way, 180 right here. As you can see, throw this thing in a reverse, and then watch my mirrors, open my garage. I have a little controller right here. This is for my garage, as you guys can see. I don't know if you can see, but it's now opening. I'm really hoping you guys like this. I'm not sure if you are. Hoping you guys do. And I mean, if you guys do, then I mean, why wouldn't you like it? It's dope. You guys can see POV of exactly what I do. Get my camera, step out of the car. So literally, guys, this is it right here. This is so dope, being able to just record without having to hold a camera. It's insane. It's dope. I like it. I freaking like it. But I'm gonna get this camera ready so I can talk to you guys. And crazy. But this is so weird right here. Both cameras recording. Anyways, guys, if you guys made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. Truly appreciate you guys. Like I tell you guys all the time, dude, there is no doubt in my mind that I appreciate the out of you guys, dude. Seriously, guys, thank you so much. I keep getting subscribers each and every single day. I hope you guys enjoyed this POV view. If you did, comment down below, please. And if you didn't, also comment down below. Let me know you didn't, or if you did. Hoping you guys, I can transition a little bit more of POV stuff into my vlogs. Now, my vlogs are still going to be the same. I just want to add some POV stuff. So when we are on some crazy drives or some crazy chases, like hopefully on Saturday, you guys will just wait and see. Just stuff like that, you know, or just going to car meets and taking drives and stuff. I'll be able to record a lot more instead of trying to hold the camera and drive. Makes it so much easier for me. So really hoping you guys are liking it. But that is going to be it for today's vlog, guys. Like Squad, as always, you guys know what to do. Always remember, what we think, we become. See you on the next one. Peace.